So, you want to build a floating bed frame. Well, I've created a video for you on an exact way how you can get this done. It's pretty simple, it doesn't require a lot of money, nor does it require a lot of skill. All you need is a few simple things. First thing you need is a circular saw, or even a table saw, or a miter saw. You're going to need some supplies, you're going to need some wood, some screws, a drill, maybe a level, maybe a sander. It all depends on what you have. It all depends on the look you want to go for. You're going to need some paint. You're going to need some paint brushes. Simple stuff, but it's easy to get done. So if you want to learn how to create your own floating bed, continue watching this video and I'll guide you each way through each step on how to create your own floating bed. So right now I'm building a box to go underneath my bed. My plan is to build a floating bed frame to fit a king size mattress. So I'm gonna build a small box to go underneath a larger box where the mattress is gonna sit. So the small box, a 4x4 box, is gonna be basically to give the illusion that the bed is floating. I'll show you in a second. Alright, so now I got the 4x4 box cut out. Now it's time to assemble it. This is the box that I was talking about. I'm gonna put some supports in the corners to keep it solid so it's not moving around. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this. Bad luck was money. I'd be a rich man. Got my 445s cut to put in the corners. Give us some more support. I could count it on one hand. You know I've seen the rich of riches. Yeah, and I've seen the poor. Alright y'all, so I got my bottom frame built up. It's 4x4 and now it's ready to paint. I'm gonna just paint it black so underneath it will look like basically like there's nothing there. I mean, you'd have to really stick your head down and look underneath to see this, because the bed frame is actually going to sit on top up here and the mattress will be up here, so it'll look like it's floating. It's going to be pretty cool. But now it's ready to paint. I'm gonna just paint it like a flat black, nothing special. I'll eventually put some LED strips around it, something like that, to give it a cool little effect. Maybe some motion sense lights. Whenever you get up, they'll turn on or something like that. But yeah, that's part one down. Alright, so we are taking a lunch break. We already got the bottom of the frame built. We got to go run to the hardware store or Walmart or something to go get some black paint and a couple more things to finish off the top part where the mattress is going to sit. But the lovely wife is making some avocado toast, but she will be joining me. She will be joining me at Walmart or some store that we're going to go to. On the road. I'm buying the cheapest sander I can find because I don't need to spend $200 on a sander because I'm using it one time. So I think I need some pretty strong stuff since I'm taking off clear coat and stain. So I'll get this, and then I'll get this I think this is right. Hey, what you got there?
Supplies.
So, I got this cheap orbital sander, some sanding pads, got a paintbrush. I got another can of this charred wood accelerator. It basically makes it look like a burnt wood effect. That's what we're going to do for the actual bed frame. Got some just satin black paint for the bottom frame. And that's really it. A couple brushes, a roller. So yeah, let's get to sanding. Alright, so I just painted this black. That's going to be the bottom. And these cypress boards right here are going to be the top part that goes on top of that black box. I already have sort of like a clear coat over the natural wood, but we're going to go with a different look. We're going to go with almost like a burnt wood look. So I'm about to sand all this stuff off and basically get it down to raw wood again and restart. Alright, so I got everything sanded down to bare wood basically, and I put some of that it's basically like a stain that makes the wood look like it's burnt, like I took a torch to it. I think it looks really, really cool when it dries. It's still kind of wet a little bit, but I didn't do the bottoms because the bottom's going to be basically on the ground. But yeah, this is the result, and it's coming out great. Alright, so I did a little bit of work off camera. It started raining really bad, so I didn't want to have my camera outside in the weather. But I'm going to show y'all exactly what I did to finish the project. Alright, so I added this main support beam going long all the way across the entire frame. I got the burnt wood look. This is just strapping. I got the burnt wood look frame. If you can see right there, that's where the box is. And I put some slats going across for the mattress. I put these little straps to connect the box to the frame of the bed. And I ran a couple of these boards that are exactly equal with the box on the bottom. So I got 2 straps on each board. I call them straps, they're just little pieces of wood that are screwed on top and bottom. Alright, so we got an after everything is complete. You can notice the bed looks like it's floating. Say hello to Tyrone. He enjoys it. He enjoys laying on the bed. But my wife had this cool piece of art from India. It's a handcrafted, like, it's some kind of wooden thing from India, but we thought it'd be a nice touch as a headboard. So we just kind of mounted that to the wall as a headboard. We're going to build some floating cabinets on each side to kind of match with the same theme as the bed. But, yep, there's the black box underneath. But from up here, you can't see it. It just looks like the bed's floating. So, if you enjoyed what you saw, or if you learned anything, please leave the video a thumbs up. Also, if you don't mind subscribing, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you just simply enjoyed the video, or if it's something you think you can tackle yourself. I'm pretty sure if you're watching this and you enjoy DIY, and it's pretty simple to do. So make sure you hit that bell notification, that way you get notified when the next video drops. Pretty soon I'll be dropping part 2 where I build floating nightstands to pretty much finish off the look of the room. Also, I'm going to be dropping another video where we lime wash the back wall where the bed actually sits against, as well as the nightstands, to complete the entire room. And that'll kind of wrap up this little mini series of DIY in a bedroom to kind of give your room maybe an update or a new look. But I appreciate y'all, and peace.